I think every major corporation would have mad high morale if they had like a gym where they had the boss that they hated the most as like, you know, them like dummies that you duff out.
Yeah.
Shit? Like you practice like whatever. Just OD on them. Just like punch them in the face and shit. And then be like, you're a pussy. You're a pussy. Hit me harder.
All right. I would watch a show about young Satan going through the perils of moving to New York.
Yo,
imagine the devil's in his office looking for a new job.
Yo, niggas on Indeed. Like, yo.
He's like, yo, I'm off this hell shit.
Fuck this shit.
To find a new job in upper middle management.
Yo, at Show Desus Mero, y'all hiring? Yo, at CashApp, y'all hiring?
Should we hire the devil as a PA?
Yo. Nigga just light our blunts with his finger like.
He's like, you guys need anything? I'm like, no, I'm good.
No.
That new PA, Lucifer, he's so good.
He's so good.
He's so on point.
Yeah.
Is his hooves? Is his foot hooves?
Yeah.
That's wild.
I hear him coming.
All right.
It was at the Harbor Plus.
I think he's like an internship?
Yeah.
Look at his resume. They're like, oh, you've had one job. Oh, you worked at hell from day one to eternity. Okay.
Wow, okay. That's lit. That's lit. Okay.
So you still need an internship? Also, it says here that you do not have an age. You've always been and will always be.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Okay, that might be weird for the insurance, but you know.
But you know what? We're inclusive here, so
totally inclusive.
We're gonna let you rock. My space heater is broken. Do you think that you could just sit on my couch and emanate heat?
Imagine we hire the devil when he calls out the second day. We gotta fire the devil.
You have to fire the nigga?
He's like, nah, I'm going through some things with my mom. Like, yo, shit is like, I'm a little behind on the rent. Like, yo, come on, man.
You just give me another shot.
I just moved from hell, dog.
It's a long trip.
Satan moved from hell to Bushwick. He's like, it's the same.
The fuck? God damn it.
Hell had lava all the time, but this got the L train. Imagine young Satan just like can't scan the Metro card on the first try. So it was like, yeah, get the fuck out the way, Satan.